Hey Bears, welcome back to another school year here at CHS.
We hope you loved our first episode from the 8th period crew.
They did a fantastic job with their episode.
They sure did, and now it's our turn.
The club fair is happening Tuesday, September 30th, 10th period in the library, featuring clubs like Yearbook Club, SAD, Robotics, Science Olympiad, and more for everyone to come and explore. Stop down and join a club.
The yearbooks are currently at their lowest price of the year. Yearbooks only cost $70 currently. This limited offer ends at the end of today and will then increase to $80.
Tonight, Chenango Bears varsity football faces off the Fulton Dragons at 5:30. Go and support the Bears and drive to cheer them on. If you see them in the halls, wish them good luck tonight and go Bears.
As you know, construction has been underway here at the high school, and kids and teachers alike are looking forward to seeing the renovations when they are complete.
The new auditorium, and do you think it was worth the wait?
Yeah, I think it's going to look very good, and it's going to be beneficial to our school.
I think I'm excited to get up there, do plays, play like my instrument. I play
Big play guy.
Yeah, I play the flute as well. So
Huge play guy. How about you?
I'm excited to watch the play. Yeah, I think Anthony's going to do a great job up there.
I think he's going to perform really well.
To play basketball in the new gym, and what's your opinions on it?
I think it's going to look really good, and I'm excited. Pop out to our games.
Ball court, and are you excited to play on it?
I mean, I'm excited to play on it. I'm kind of sad I'm not gonna be able to play on the same court Ryan Mesh used to play on, but I mean, the new one will be cool.
Opinions on the new gym?
I think it looks really good. I like the floor. I like the contrast of the dark wood and the light wood. And the part that I like the most are that they painted the vents red and they got rid of the big red stripe around the gym. So I'm excited about teaching in there. I'm excited about getting in there. And I'm looking forward to it.
It's basketball this year on the new court, and what's your opinions on the gym?
I think it's gonna be fun. It's new. It'll be more grippy. I don't know. It'll be good.
What do you think these changes in the school will improve, and do you think it will benefit the students?
Well, I think anytime you improve the facility, it has an impact on student pride and student culture. So I'm hopeful that students will recognize that we're making general improvements to the school, and that they see that, and so that they know that they have a school system that is supportive of them, their environment, and what we're trying to do here in Chenango.
Do you think this will benefit the community's attendance at basketball games and plays and musicals and that?
I would like to think it would. I think especially at first it will, because people will be curious and they're going to want to see their tax dollars at work. So I think at first it'll bring some curiosity and it'll bring some of those people to see what's going on, and hopefully that'll last.
When do you think the construction will be all done?
So we have three primary projects going on. The first one's the gym, which is actually done as of today, and that gets turned over to us, I believe, tomorrow morning, which would be Tuesday. The second one is the auditorium. That should be wrapping up by the end of the month. And then the third one is the front of the building and the main office. The main office is mostly done, but that should also be done closer to the end of the month.
Wow, looks like great progress is being made. Katie and Chloe went to the Salvation Army and checked things out over there. Let's see how they're doing.
Okay, I'm Chloe Payton, and I'm Katie Rink. And we're here with
Carmela Curtis.
and we're doing thrift store outfits. Okay, ready, go. Stop. Okay. Stop. Stop. I need to wear. Okay, go.
Oh God.
Stop. Ooh, I like this. Keeps getting stuck on the. Okay. This is gonna be a little big. Go. Stop. Okay, at least the outfit matches. It's gonna be a little big. That's okay. We'll figure it out. Okay, ready? Go.
Oh God.
Stop. Stop.
Ooh.
Oh, okay. Okay, accessories, go.
I'm nervous.
Stop. Oh. Oh.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, go. Stop.
Okay.
Accessory number 2. Okay, go.
Yeah.
Stop.
I'm bored. I love.
Okay, time to try on. My
Good
bag's in
luck.
there. Oh. Alright, what do we think out of 10? I like this one. 10 out of 10.
Okay, good luck.
Oh wow!
Okay, what do you rate it out of 10?
It's a 3.
That's it, guys. Thanks for tuning in.
Looks like they had fun time.
Chenango has been involved in a lot of sports lately, so let's hand things over to Ethan and Evan and see how they are doing.
Hey Bears fans!
Welcome back to the Chittenango Sports Desk.
The varsity football team takes down Cortland in a blowout victory 54-6 with a touchdown scored by Chase Ostrander, Tommy, Andrew Kabasa, and Andrew Packard. The Bears take on Fulton tonight.
The girls soccer team took a tough 9-3 loss over West Hill last Friday. Abby Scheidelman and Cameron Potter each had 2 goals, and Susanna Horning had 15 saves. The Lady Bears play Cincinnati tomorrow at 11 a.m. Go support.
Last Wednesday, the cross-country team traveled to Mexico. The girls team defeated Mexico 20-43 with Natalie DeGeneiro posting the second fastest time of the night, and the Bears swept 2nd through 9th place. Unfortunately, the boys lost 18-39 with Zach Driscoll and Carlos Patino posting the fastest times of the Bears.
The boys soccer team pulled out an amazing 4-0 victory last Wednesday against the Oneida Express. Gavin Karwoski led the team with a hat trick, and Ian Baldwin added the 4th goal. Eli Laforte got the winning goal with 6 saves. The Bears take on CBA next Tuesday. The boys golf team took down the Homer Trojans Monday by a score of 204-213. The 204 score qualifies the team for sectional play next week, while freshman Sam Martin's 39 earned him medalist honors on a trip to Green Lakes next Wednesday. Jack Kamara posted his first qualifying score, shooting 40, while Martin, Wyatt Perry, and both the Thousand Brothers carded birdies in the win. Congratulations to our seniors who were recognized at Senior Night Tuesday: Ryan Skoglund, Dylan Brownson, Norm Coomer, and Matt Huckabee.
The girls tennis team took on Phoenix last week and took home a victory 4-3. Molly Yerniak took the win in her singles match, and in doubles, Leah Ezzo and Addison Martin, Erica Ezzo, Hope Rock, and Sam Oakes, Lily Herenio all won their matches. Their next match is Monday against Marcellus.
Girls volleyball is off to a hot start after being moved to a fall sport. Unfortunately, last week they took a tough loss over Phoenix. Maddie Eastman led with 20 digs, and Peyton Smith added 13 kills. The Bears stay busy next week with 3 games. Thanks for tuning in to this week's sports.
We'll see you next week. Go Bears!
Awesome job, you guys. What would we do without Chenango sports? Speaking of doing without, a few teachers may be leaving the school after this school year, but before we say farewell, here's Caleb asking how they felt in their times here.
Hello everyone, it's Leah. I'm here with Miss Carp. We're talking about retirement. So my first question for you is, what is your favorite memory you have from Chenango?
That's a tough one because I have a lot. As you know, this is my 27th year here, so many like great students along the way. Probably, if I had to pick one, it would be qualifying for science Olympiad state tournament the first time, because those kids really worked hard to get there, which was pretty cool to see them achieve something that they started out in 6th grade with Miss Bennett and said, we're going to do this, and when they were seniors they did it, and it was our first time ever getting there, so it was pretty cool.
And then my second question for you is, what are you most looking forward to with your free time now?
That's an easy one. I think number 1 on my list is not getting up at 4:45 in the morning anymore. That's a good one. I can work out at my own pace. I can get up and have a cup of coffee. Just a little bit more laid back lifestyle, and then of course visiting my daughter when I can. Right now it's a little bit of a jam because time and wise. So tripping down to North Carolina, traveling with the hubba, just little things like that.
Nice. All right, that's a wrap for now.
Go Bears!
These teachers still have a year left to go, so go get to know them before they leave. As we prepare to wrap things up, we want to remind you to check out our website at beardennews.org. You can check out more news and read exciting articles. Sure been a good broadcasting day.
It has been.
So thanks everyone for making this a great episode.
Farewell, and until next time,
Go Bears!